Hello friends, welcome to Thursday's video. You're a little zoomed out. There we go, or zoomed in, I mean. So I have decided to try a diorama for first time ever. I'm super nervous about it. We have these glasses, which are from, if I can find a picture, I will insert it here. They're like little desserts that you get at Costco. And so I cleaned out the glasses, and they are actual glass. So I was like, well, I could totally use these for something. I do still need to clean them just a little bit more with some alcohol, which is not a problem. But a while ago, I bought some of these erasers, and, well, number one, I didn't realize they were erasers, but I got these from Party City, and I wanted some cute little, like, fishy things. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do some sand, and then one of the little fishies, and then at the top maybe some like waves or whatever. I'm also going to throw some of these little glass pieces, I guess, from the Dollar Tree in there with the sand. I've got just regular old white sand from the Dollar Tree. Hopefully that's enough. It shouldn't, I mean, I think at most these are going to take probably like 50 milliliters each of resin. But I will, of course, leave the amounts in the pinned comment below. But yeah, so that's what I'm doing. Hopefully it turns out great, and hopefully you enjoy it. So let's go ahead and get started. Hey guys, this is a gentle reminder to please hit that like button, and if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button and ring that bell so you can be notified anytime I upload a video. Thanks so much. bonus unmolding time. Yeah. Bonus unmolding time. So today I have a tray, and I had some leftover resin from a couple of previous pours, so I just mixed black with some turquoise mica powder in there and did this over a couple of pours since one bit of extra resin wasn't going to fill it up all the way. So that's another thing that you can do with your extra resin is, even if it won't fill the mold up, just fill it up as much as you can, and then the next time you have extra resin, finish it off. You know what I mean? And here it is. It's so pretty. Very nice, very nice. Looks more emerald green on camera than it does in person. But yeah, so it's just a little trinket dish kind of thing. So yeah, that's today's bonus unmolding time. Alright friends, they're done, they're cured. I mean, to be honest, they were cured pretty quickly. So I got some bubbles, but I'm actually really happy about that because it looks like the little dolphin is breathing. Isn't that cool? Okay, and then here's the little turtle. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to grab some Mod Podge and kind of paint it on there to make it look like, I guess, kind of like the water's moving kind of thing. I'm going to paint it on the top. And then that will be that. So, yeah. I'm going to do that off camera. You guys don't need to see me paint Mod Podge on here, obviously. So, yeah. Stick around for the glamour shots, of course. Thank you guys so very much for watching. I really had fun with this one. It was kind of exciting to do something I had never done before, you know. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. It really does help out my channel, helps me to grow. Also, if you are new and you like fun things like this, please stick around by hitting the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you guys again so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.